I would say that they need to focus on multiple verticals. So don't rely on just one stream or one solution of revenue. All too often, I find people entering the business doing extremely well at a particular retail location. And so they become a shopkeeper at that retail location. They forget to keep the hat of the entrepreneur and the business owner on their head. They're not a shopkeeper. They are an entrepreneur and a business owner. What that means is that if that shop has done well, start thinking very quickly on scaling to shop number 2, shop number 3, 4, and 5. Multiple verticals also means different sorts of ways of generating revenue. So mall retail is one. Might also be focusing on different venues like funeral homes or pet stores or even non-traditional forms. Like I had one business owner that went to salons and put the product on display there. And of course they were questioned, what does a salon have to do with a 3D crystal? And well, think about it. At a salon, you have a captivated audience. Many times it's women that are getting their hair colored, that are sitting there for 1 hour.
Watching the crystal.
Yeah, and looking at the crystal. And it's a perfect opportunity for the salon owner to sell it. Not only that, is why are they getting their hair done? Well, there must be some event happening or something coming up that they need a customized or a personal, a unique gift for. And so just, get very creative.